Want to know how to add RAM and NVMe storage to your NAS? Well, stick around. This is the video for you. Let's get into it. Hey everybody, it's Havoc. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to add RAM and NVMe storage to your NAS. In a previous video, which I'll link below, we set up this bad boy here, the ASUSTOR AS5404T. What we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to upgrade the memory and add some NVMe storage to it. All of the products I'm going to use for this, I'll link in the description below. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Here we are on my top-down camera, and what we have is the screwdriver you're going to need. And this is a great one. I'll link in the description below, but it has a lot of different ends and connectors that you can do for whatever type of work you're doing with computers. Here we have two 8 gig sticks of DDR4, and then we have a 500 gig SSD. Now the ASUSTOR AS5404T will take two 8 gig sticks of RAM. So that's why we have two 8 gig sticks here. Let's go ahead and move the SSD NVMe storage aside, as well as the memory, because we got to take the cover off of the NAS here. So if we look at the back, we have some screws here, and we need to take out these 4 screws. That's going to be the Phillips, and it goes without saying, make sure it's turned off, not plugged in, etc. And it's going to be kind of hard to do with it plugged in anyway if you tried, but some people might actually try it. So I'm going to go ahead and take the 4 screws out. So now that we have the screws out, we want to take the drives out. So you do that really easy. I showed you in another video how to install them. This one, all you do is just pull that up, pull the drives out. And I only got 3 in this one, but I'm going to take all 4 bays out because we need that to access what we're going for. Make sure you remember what order you took them out in, because you'll want to put them back in the same way in most cases, just to save yourself a little bit of a headache. Okay, now that we have the drives out, what you want to do is lay it on its side, and you want to lay it on the side that has the power button. So we're going to lay it down here, and then you're going to push right here and then go up, and the whole cover comes right off. Now you're going to see directly down, that's where the RAM is going to go, or the memory. So I'm going to go ahead and pop out the 4 gigs that come in it. And the way you do that is there's these metal pieces here. You just kind of take your fingernail and lightly pop them to the side, and the memory will pop up. And you can pull it right out of the slot there. So 4 gig stick coming out. Now I'm going to install the 2 8 gig sticks, and you're going to see there are 2 slots. There's one on the bottom, one on top, and they're keyed. So there's a key right here in the middle, and that needs to line up with the slot here on your RAM. That way it forces you to put it in the correct way. Now don't force the RAM in, but what you want to do is you want to go in at an angle. So I'm going to do the bottom one first, because otherwise you're not going to be able to get to it. Bottom one first. It clicked in, and then we're going to push down. Boom, there's one. And the same thing with the second slot. We're going to go in at an angle. Clicked in. We're installed. That's how you install RAM in the NAS. Now what we want to do is install an NVMe drive. And if you turn it to the side here, you can see there's some NVMe slots here. This is the side that, so this is actually the top. So if you see the power button here, this is how it'll look if you have the cover on, facing on. The top here is where the NVMe slots are. And this is going to be super easy. You see how it has 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what order you install these in. So I'm going to take my NVMe drive. I'm going to line it up into slot 1 here. Just like the RAM, we're going to put it at an angle, and then we're going to push down, And this has little tabs here that we can help it kind of by pulling this tab back a little bit. And it should go down all the way and it should stay. And the tab should be covering up the little hole here to make sure it doesn't pop out. So now what we do, we'll put the cover back on. And again, the way we do that is we'll take the power button side face down. We'll take our case, slide it down. And once our case is slid down, you can see it's not on yet. We still have a lot of room there. We're gonna push it forward. There you go. It is now pushed forward. We'll flip it over to the back and screw the 4 screws back in. And there you have it. That's how you install RAM and NVMe drives in your ASUSTOR NAS. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you know when the next one drops. I got some more coming out when it comes to this NAS, including how to set up Plex on it, how to stream from it. Yes, you can actually stream from this NAS if you're a content creator to Twitch. I'll be showing you how to do that. So make sure you're following and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay safe, have fun, and keep doing good.